Good vibes. Just came out. Good swim. If on the move, look. Yes, people, Joseph just come with the delivery. Yes. So, yes, people, today, me and Joseph is going to be making fresh sugarcane juice. So, welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. And we're here at Surrey Street Market. And Joseph here, he specializes in importing sugarcane from around the world and also making fresh sugarcane juice for the community. Good vibes. So you know the sugarcane, yeah, it grows in various different parts of the world, everybody, yeah. You can get a lot of tropical countries, yeah, like India, Jamaica, Africa, those countries, yeah, around the world, Asian countries, African countries, Caribbean countries, you'd find sugarcane growing. And the sugarcane family comes from a variation of different sugarcane, because as you got the sugarcane, you got different ones. Like in Jamaica, you got the red ribbon cane, you got the green cane. Let me just taste the sugarcane juice, people, just to give you guys the verdict, yeah? All right, we just see Joseph make this enough. Wow, this one's absolutely refreshing, especially on a day like today. It's out, we're out, the sun is out. Joseph is just here behind us chopping sugarcane. So it's a good vibes, people. You need to come down and check Joseph at Surrey Street Market if you want to get your fresh sugarcane juice, people. Yeah, a good vibes.
Oh yes, people, you already know it's 10 at 1000, and today we live in Croydon, in the oldest market in London. So we're here in Joseph's Market, operating, keeping it cultural, exotic, extraordinary, and adventurous. So look out for what's coming out. Thank you very much for the journey, and everybody that's been tuning in, checking out Ringo Vision and the visuals that we've been creating and trying to be as creative as we can be. I hope you guys have been enjoying the visuals. Obviously, you see me today, I'm just coming back from Switzerland as we keeping it global and active, doing the same operation that we're doing here in London, doing it also over there. So as I pull up, Ringo's happy to see me here, so I'm also happy to see him here as I was going home. And we just start working. So
that is
now
it.
This is what's happening, man. You know, we're freestyling, working, but we're keeping it structured and organized.
Yes, people, welcome to the program. I'm Ringo Vision. I done tell you what I'm going today, people, yeah. I'm here, I'm right at Joseph's stall. I'm Ringo Vision, as I said before, 24-hour kitchen. Joseph, what I go on? When you say I chop jelly coconut, good vibes. Good vibes.
We have a nice jelly coconut. We have a lovely sugar cane. Yeah.
That is it. Quick, get myself a sugarcane drink, people. You don't know what I want.
Organic juice here,
Sugarcane,
organic juice here, organic
ginger,
juice here, organic juice.
Lemon. That is it. A good vibes.
Organic
Ladies and Joseph, a good vibes.
Yes, man, yes, man.
So these sugarcane that we got here now, these green ones, they come from Uganda. And these red ones here with the lines in them, they come from Jamaica. So them red ones with the lines in them, they're called like red ribbon cane. So they're known to be like very soft. Yeah man, a good vibe. We've been out here today. making some sugarcane juice. As you can see, Joseph over here, what he's actually doing right now, he's preparing the sugarcane so that it can actually go into that machine there and he can start juicing the sugarcane, people, yeah? So, our good vibes. Yeah, man. It's a simple process, you know. Split the sugarcane in half, put it through the machine, and as you can do, he's got a strainer there to get any little bits that's left over. And you can see the sugarcane just being juiced. Our good vibes. Look at that. Wow. That amazing fresh sugarcane juice, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man. And this is what they actually use to make sugar, and this is also what they actually use to make white rum, Jamaican white rum as well, people, yeah? A good vibe. Look at the drip. That is it.
Put ginger on that.
So what Joseph's actually done here now, he's added ginger and he's added lime. Just to add to that extra additional flavour, people, yeah? Yeah, man, our good vibes. After completion, this is what happens, everybody, yeah? After we get a completion of the juice, it's been juiced, Joseph adds a bit of ice just to get it cold and frosted. You understand? Get the temperature freezing, you understand, people? Then we start to pour that sugarcane juice on top. Our good vibes.
Where is it? Go on. Yeah. Where go you? Yeah. Who drink first, they're going to get the percent, okay? You want to drink juice?
No. Nothing.
Oh, look, I'm going to give you the verdict again, people, yeah, look. Joseph squeezed my sugarcane juice, you know. I've got my lemon, I've got my ginger in here. Wow. This is so refreshing, people, yeah. If you ever get the chance and you go anywhere, you can get a fresh squeezed sugarcane juice, fresh squeezed. Don't hesitate to get yourself one, people, yeah. Natural sugars is a beauty. All right. What's the next best thing to do after you come down to the market? You get the fresh sugarcane juice. We have to go down to the beach side now, people, yeah, and take a swim down in Brighton Sea, people, yeah. I know the water's going to be very cold, but look and see where I go on, people, yeah. We're leaving Joseph now. We're going to go down to the coastline, take a swim down at the sea, people, yeah. A good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people. Go there, outside, a good vibes. That is it. This is what's happening right now. I'm going for a blood clot swim, people, yeah. A good vibes. Look out for the video. Good vibes. Just came out. Good swim. That was absolutely amazing, people, yeah. The swim, the vibes down at Joseph, the sugarcane. Yeah, man, a good vibes, people. So I'm going to be back on my journey again. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode, people. 24-hour kitchen. You don't know where I go on, people, yeah. I hope you guys also enjoying the journey so far. Some exciting videos come out. I hope you guys also enjoyed the homeless video. Look out for more homeless videos coming out as well, people, yeah. Good vibes on 24-hour kitchen, because the agenda is always trying to give back to our local community, and anywhere we go, we try to make people happy and spread the love, people. That is it. We're outside, good vibes. Yeah, man, from Joseph down to Brighton, in the sea, swimming, good vibes.